problem is, I'm making a video because I don't have any to upload. So I'm making this one. Let's see if this works. No, that ain't gonna work. Well, let's try that. How's that? Yeah, I'm right over here. I'm filling a water bottle for me so I can get something to drink. And then I'm gonna do my honey's coffee. Coffee. Give each a little, just because I can. All right. New coffee pot yesterday. So far, so good. I mean, this is my first time I'm changing it. First time changing the filter. Ooh, that's right. Well, where is it? That's right, it's got a filter and a filter. I forgot about that. Let's try the filter. Just the filter. No filter, because that's what it is. It's a filter. I know. Gally. What the? Oh, you're all in thumps today, Gally. Yeah, what the heck did that happen? I didn't even hit it. Okay. So let's, I'm all whacked out this morning. Man, I'm all whacked out. I don't know what to do. Kind of hit or miss, and miss and hit. But this is going to give me a... Okay. Am I ready? Go. Okay. Did that. Now let's see how it tastes today, girl. It's a different thing too. Wait till you see when I pour it. And the level is on the other side of the glass. Oh, I poured it yesterday and it came out the side. It was splashed everywhere. Alright. We're all set. Now I can get you. What I didn't like with the other one was inside where the water sits, it was all coffee smudged. There was nothing but just, I don't know, crap on the side. This one's doing the same thing. My other coffee pot only had one wheel to stop it. I mean, I could bring it forward and I could bring it back and stuff, but if I'm moving this, there's only one stopper over here. The inside that's residue is what I was looking for. There's residue all inside where the water was. Now, I don't know why, because that was just water. The coffee never got in there. You know what I'm saying? inside the reservoir was coffee residue. And it shouldn't have been because it was just water in there. This is where the residue would have been, which is another reason why I got rid of the other one. That hot plate, that was looking kind of, it's not going to clean up very good anymore. See? See the base? Hang on, let me see what's going on here. Let me see what's going on here, and I'll check this puppy out. Let me do this. Yeah. Just tip it right over. See, that one's got a peg. Well, it's just one stopper. Something wrong here. I don't know what I'm seeing here, but something wrong here. Yeah, oh, there's nothing on this corner to hold it. It sits on 3 legs. One over here and one in the back. And this one over here has a rubber piece on it. That's why when you move it, it does that. So anyway, it's got its own filter. Now after all that crapola, you heard me, crapola. I say ola. And yeah, come on peoples. Now that's how you do a kitchen towel. I think you're supposed to have it like this. And at the same time, I think you're supposed to have it more even. See, it's not even. Well, it's not a good towel. But see, that's how you're supposed to have it. You're supposed to have the folded side here and the non-folded folded side here with all the openings to the left and up. I don't know if you guys follow Emily Post, but yes, I'll definitely give a shit. My wife tells me to do that, I did it. And that's what she does. She puts a towel on there. She did it, but she had it like this. And that's not right. And I think she had a little bit of an angle too. Now, right here like this, and you're supposed to use the 45 for that 90 degree for the straightness. You know, you just can't throw it on there like that. No, or like this. And you can't have that shit. Got to be about 4 inches in and straight with the sink edge. Yes, I have no time on my hands. None. I am one busy character. The only time I'm busy is when I get my ass out of the chair and go to the men's room to eat or get something from the refrigerator. Yeah. Oh, I'm still a muncher. Well, I'm going to stop the first of the year. No more crap. No more goodies. No more sugar. Yeah. I think I've had enough done to my system. That's what I'm losing is Aaron, my kid, says that sugar can only hurt you. That kind of thing. Sugar's not good for you. I know. Hang on, I'm going to put you right down here. I got a little thing I'm working on over here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm working on it. I think there's something stuck on the counter. I know, Gary, every time you come out in the kitchen, you do something. Maybe you want to get a job as a dishwasher. have one. This is my job as the dishwasher. Ooh, that feels a lot better. Oh, okay. Okay. So be it. I'm all done. Let's grab the water that we just made. And we'll maybe lift the curtains if the curtains are down. And we'll take this blade with us. Oh, we'll take that other blade with us too. Yeah, let's open the windows up here. Get a little light in here. Hang on. You see me open the shades today? Okay. Not bad. There you go. All right with me. That worked out good for me. Now what I need to do is I need to get in here and get which one. I want the small one. And that wiper that I bought my wife some wipers for the car. I think they are the exact same thing. Alright, that's what I wanted. Hang on to yourselves. Do you see that? I already made my bed. What I need to do here is push this back, push that back. What I need is to make something so I can put my video up here. Let's sit on the dragon. Or on the Merlin. Hang on. Don't try this at home. No, I ain't gonna work. I need something heavier. What I want to do is, like I said, I'm gonna put the camera down here. So anyway, this is the old wiper. Hang on myself. I got some tools in here. There we go, right there. Real big fish. Nope, it's changing. Goldfinger. Goldfinger, and you hear it right now, aren't you? Falling off? What's going on here with these fucking set? I think they're gonna go bad on me. Come on. What the fuck? I ain't getting nothing. Nothing. God damn it. And I just turned them off and on, too. Yeah, hold on, hang on a minute. Metal. over there, not here.